up, guys? We got a 2023 Rubicon Jeep. We went ahead and added the alarm with the remote start, and he wanted the app, and he wanted to be able to start it from his phone. GPS, the whole 9 yards. Want to go ahead and hit lock. Okay, that arms the alarm. Puts my alarm in the background, right here from the antenna right there. All right, and then when you hit this arm, okay, turns off the alarm. They gave him multiple chirps because that means the alarm went off. But normally you should not get any chirps. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and arm it again. All right, first thing I'm gonna show you, if you wanna, I'm gonna turn it off from here. Okay, let's arm it from the phone. I'm gonna hit lock. Okay, tells your doors are locked. He's got the Bluetooth on his ear, so the sound's gonna go to his Bluetooth. So I'm gonna hit disarm. And turns off the alarm. I'm gonna go ahead and remote start it. That's gonna start the Jeep. Car started. You can do this anywhere in the world. You don't need a hotspot, no internet connection or nothing. The unit hooks up to the server. First year is free, and after that it's 39 bucks a year. You got the countdown here, which is 30 minutes going backwards. If he doesn't come out and turn off and takes off with the Jeep, it's gonna run for 30 minutes and it will shut itself off. That way, if you fall asleep, you don't empty out your tank running the whole day. 13.7, that's because the alternator is charging the battery already, the signal of the unit, and the temperature inside, which is 77 degrees. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. Okay, you can turn it off there. Otherwise, it would just turn itself off after 30 minutes, or when you open the door and push the foot on the brake, the remote start shuts off, just like every other car. GPS is here, but for security reasons, I'm not gonna show location. This is our contact information, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and arm the alarm. Okay, if you want to start it from the fob, you were wondering how do you do the remote start if you don't have any extra buttons here to do it. If you hit lock 3 times while the car's sitting in a parking lot, 1, 2, 3, that will remote start the car. I mean the Jeep, excuse me. While it's running, if you decided you didn't want to go anywhere, you can do the same thing 3 times, and that will turn off the remote start. But first, I'm going to show you. You hit unlock, that turns off my alarm, opens the door. Okay, and what you do, it's already in the run position. Once you it's flashing the hazards. Okay, turn off the radio a little bit. By the way, this is really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and press the brake. That shuts off the hazard, so that means that my remote starts shut off, and the Jeep is already running the way you normally start it manually. Okay, and that's it. You just put the car in drive and take off. Okay, and then when you remote start it, of course, like I told you before I did this, while it's remote started, if you hit lock, that will turn off the remote start as well. Okay, and then I'm going to show you somebody opens any of the doors, that will set it off. That's all done through the module. When we upload the firmware, all through the CAN bus, we don't have to do anything there. That automatically gets installed. I'm going to go ahead and bang on the glass. Makes like an alarm noise. That's anywhere in the world. You can be in Alaska. If somebody sets off your alarm, it's going to fire off on your phone and give you the notification. By the way, you're able to remote start it, lock and unlock the doors, do everything from the app on the phone anywhere in the world. As long as you got internet connection, you can even be overseas and start your Jeep. So that way when you come back a month later or 2, whatever you decide to be overseas, you don't have a dead battery on it. This alarm was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists in this Rubicon 2023. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. This whole installation is digital through CAN bus. There's no other way around it. And it's going to require a little bit of money because we have to go and program the modules and download the firmware and the whole 9 yards. So there you have it. This is on a 2023 Jeep Rubicon. Our numbers again are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. This is Auto Alarm Specialist, and we thank you so much for watching this video.